Okay, so got my NEQUARE cordless stick vacuum in the mail today from Amazon. Ooh, let's see what we got. This is the S23 series cordless vacuum with super suction, and it's got like LED displays. So let's see what it looks like. Let me open her up. Woohoo! Enjoy every moment. NEQUARE. Ooh, comes with an envelope. Little instruction manual. Pretty cool. Just we'll look over that later. Guess that's a filter. So it's got like this 5 filter system thing, 5 filter process, neatly packaged. I guess this is the stick. This is the vacuum body. Oh, cool. So this has got like the LED display here with the touch screen. It's like a touch screen, 9 different levels with the removable battery, which is kind of a cool feature. A lot of the other vacuums don't really have. It's easier than like charging the whole unit together, but I guess you could still charge it together as well. Pretty cool. This is the V-shaped accessory. It gets into the corners. And this is obviously, this is really cool. This is what my wife and I were kind of excited about, because this clicks in and it actually stands up. So that's a different feature I haven't seen with any other stick vacuum. This is obviously a crevice tool, and this is the charger. But this I'm excited about because this goes in here. Oh yeah. And I can stand up. I don't think you can see all that, but it's a pretty sweet looking vacuum. My wife would be excited. Ooh! Look at that. This just tells you, I guess, if there's any instructions and what the charge is, how high it goes. Alright. We'll have fun playing with this. That will be another video. So this is the NEQUARE model S23 stand-up stick vacuum. That's pretty neatly packaged.